Figure of speech. Figure of speech is a word or phrase used in literal sense so that speech writing becomes more persuasive, vivid, and relatable. This means that the meaning of figure of speech is different from its literal meaning. Figure of speech is also called figurative language. We use figurative language to help the reader better understand what we are trying to describe. Here are some kinds of figure of speech: simile, metaphor, personification, and hyperbole. Simile compares one thing to another thing, a comparison using like or as. Example: she is like an angel. So, more example: hard as a rock. Sparkle like a diamond. Busy as a bee. The world is like a stage. So here's the metaphor. Metaphor is a word or phrase for one thing that is used in a place or another thing in order to show or suggest that they are similar. Like or as is not used. For example, she is an angel. Gusion is a tiger. So here's the personification. Personification, a figurative language that attributes human characteristics, emotion, and behavior to animals and inanimate object or idea. Example: the clumsy turtle enjoyed the sun. The stars dance in the midnight sky. So here's the hyperbole. It's a figure of speech that uses exaggerated comparisons or overstatements for emphasis and literacy effect. For example, I can eat horse. Dying of laughter. She cried a river. So that's all. Thank you for watching.